Assalamu alaikum, young learners. Hopefully, you're doing well. Today, in our science factor for grade 4, we'll note down answers for unit number 3, and the title for the unit is The Plant World. Beginning with the question number 1, what are the functions of these parts of the plant? Root, stem, leaf, and flower. Here, as you can see in your science factor, that function of leaves is asked 2 times. So we'll discuss it for once only. There's no need to repeat it. Let's begin with answer for question number 1. The first function we will define here is the function of root. The roots absorb water and minerals from the ground. They also help to anchor the plant in the ground. Second is the function of stem. The stem has several functions. It transports water up the plant. It supports the leaves and flowers against wind. Some stems have spikes or hair to protect the plant from insects and animals. At number 3 is function of leaf. Leaves have a very important function. They are the place where food is produced by the process called photosynthesis. And number 4 is the function of flower. Flowers produce seeds which form new plants. It is called reproduction. These are some important parts of a flower. Number 1 is sepal. It protects the bud. Number 2 is petals. Petals attract insects to the flower. Number 3 is stem. It is the male part of the flower. Number 4 is anther. Anther is a part of the stamen covered in pollen. Number 5 is pistil. It is the female part of the plant. So question number 2 is, name the processes that make a plant live, grow, and reproduce. Write a short note to explain each. Beginning with the answer, these are the 4 main processes that make a plant live, grow, and reproduce. Number 1 is photosynthesis. Number 2 is transpiration. Number 3 is transportation. And number 4 is reproduction. Let's explain the first process, the photosynthesis. The system of producing food is called photosynthesis. Leaves contain a green substance called chlorophyll. It converts sunlight into energy. It combines water and carbon dioxide to produce food. At number 2 is the process of transpiration. Transpiration takes place within the leaves. Leaves have tiny holes called stomata that evaporates water from a plant. This process of evaporation is called transpiration. It helps to keep plants cool. And the third process is transportation. Plants have tubes that transport water, minerals, and glucose to where they are needed. These tubes are of 2 types that are called xylem and phloem. Xylem tubes are thick and strong. They carry water from roots to the leaves. And phloem tubes are thin and transport glucose from leaves to all over the plant. At last is the process of reproduction. Like animal reproduction, plant reproduction also involves fertilization. However, plants contain both male and female parts. Reproduction in flowering plants take place in the flower. And moving towards the third and last question for unit number 3, the plant world, the question is, how does fertilization take place in a plant? Draw a diagram to explain your answer. The answer to this question after drawing the diagram would be, plant fertilization occurs when a bird, insect, or the wind transfers pollen grains from the anther of one plant to the stigma of another plant. The pollen goes down to the tube from stigma to the ovary where egg is fertilized and seed is formed. So that will be all for today. Inshallah, I'll be back soon with unit number 4 question and answers. Meanwhile, do like, share and subscribe to my channel for updates. Thank you.